So let's first prove it to be isosceles. We're going to say, here's our answer. That was our question. This is where we're going to start answering. We're going to say OQ is equal to OR. OQ is equal to OR, and why? They are radii. Right. Therefore, triangle OQR, triangle OQR is isosceles. Now that you've got it to be isosceles, we know that sum of angles of a triangle. So we've got 140, we need Q1 and we need R1. Sum of angles of a triangle are equal to 180, so therefore we want Q1. We're not interested in R1 for now. We want Q1 because Q1 and X will give me 90 degrees. We need to get to X, so the angle right next door to X is Q1. So therefore angle Q1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 140. Now 180 minus 140 will give me the sum of these two. Now we know these two are equal. Therefore we divide it by 2 in order to get Q1. So 180 divided by minus 140 is 40 degrees. And 40 divided by 2 is 20 degrees. And there we go. Angle Q1 we now have as 20 degrees. Okay, and we know that R1 is also 20. Now the minute we have an answer, the minute we get an answer and we know that we are correct, we take that answer, we take the value and we throw it onto our diagram. As you can see, we're filling up the diagram. The more information we have on the diagram, the easier it's going to be for you to be able to solve for your unknowns or what is required for you to solve. Okay, now we had this to be 90, but we didn't put a reason there. So let's now first prove this to be 90. We say OQ is 90 degrees to QT. OQ is perpendicular or 90 degrees to QT. And why are you saying that? Because a radius is 90 degrees to a tangent. That's a rule, that's a theorem. Radius is always 90 degrees to a tangent. Therefore, X, we need X. If this whole angle is 90 and that small piece that we found out was 20, how much is X? Therefore, X is equal to 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. So 90 minus 20, X is equal to 70 degrees. So we go back to our diagram and we know we are right. We now put 70 degrees. So now we know that this angle is 70, that angle there is 20, 70 plus 20 will give me my 90 degree angle. Okay, I hope you guys are following with us. Let's just quickly recap. We said OQ is equal to QR, radii. Therefore, triangle OQR is isosceles. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 180 minus 140 divided by 2. In fact, you have to put a reason there also because sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Right? Sum of angles of a triangle equal to 180. 180 minus 140 is 40 divided by 2. Q1 will be 20. R1 is equal to 20. Then we said OQ is 90 degrees to QT. Why? Radius 90 degrees to the tangent. And we said therefore X is equal to 90 minus that 20. Therefore X is equal to 70 degrees. Now what did we find? We found X. We still need W. We still need Z. And we still need Y. Okay. Now if this is 140, now watch here guys, watch here. I'm going to erase those reasons because we now need to continue. Let's see. What else comes to mind here guys? We know that we have two parallel lines, right? So if this angle here, this is a transversal, this is a transversal, I've got a line here, I've got a line there. These two lines are parallel. Now look at the Z shape. We've got that, we've got this, and we've got that. So if this angle here is 70, that means this entire angle here is also 70. That means R1 plus Z must also be 70 because they are alternate. These two lines are parallel. These two angles are alternate. So therefore this is 70. This entire angle is 70 degrees. But we want Z. So let's first say, we're going to say ST is parallel to PR. Given ST parallel to PR, and they gave it to you in the question, so you'll write given. Therefore, angle R1 plus Z, R1 plus Z is equal to 70 degrees. Is equal to 70 degrees, and the reason for that is alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. But we've already got R1. Therefore, 20 degrees plus Z is equal to 70. Therefore, Z on its own is equal to 70 minus 20. Z is equal to 50 degrees. So now we know that angle Z is now 50 degrees. Okay? These two angles are equal to each other. This is 70. This entire angle must be 70. If R1 is 20, therefore angle Z must be 70 minus 20, which is 50. Okay, we're short of two more angles, guys. We're short of W and we are short of Y. We are cutting for an ad break. I'm now going to give you 3 minutes. Now you get your homework. You got 3 minutes during your ad break to find the value of W and Y. Give me reasons and let's get it right after the break.